Hello, in this video we'll speak about how to write the code in Python for half or automatic or full automatic creation of questioning and getting answers to or from AI artificial intelligence. يعني ازاي انا اعمل برنامج بالبايثون عشان اتعامل واعمل اجهز اسئله بشكل اوتوماتيكي، اخد من الملفات اوتوماتيكي كده اوتوماتيكلي يعني، او هاف اوتوماتيك، وابعت للبايثون الاسئله ديت وهو يرد لي، وبرضه افايل الاجابات ديت. طبعا دي مهمه جدا، تلاقيها ليها استخدامات كتيره جدا في بعض التطبيقات وبعض المهن زي التدريس، زي اعمال المحاماه، زي اعمال الحاجات الهندسيه. برضه في اكيد تطبيقات كتيره جدا، العقود والكونتراكتس. يلا بينا نشوف ازاي how to design a code in Python for mixing text together automatically from files like Excel file and Word files, and make a new comparison of these words and texts or sentences for creating new data and applying this data as a question for ChatGPT and getting answer, and this answer will be filed in Excel file or Word file. Follow me in this code. This code it's written in Python. This is a code written in Python. First thing in Python, when we are designing or creating code, we start with libraries, import the important libraries, and we have to write code comments for remembering us for revision or modifying this code for updating the programs or creating another programs. So here I have to divide this code into parts. So these two libraries are for dealing with Excel files and Word files. Then the second part for dealing with filing data in arrays. So it's manipulating data from different Excel sheets or Word sheets. Then for dealing with operating system, we use the OS library of Python. Then dealing with date, we are using date time. For manually evaluation, so I think I will use also the by per clip, and this open Excel also the same I used above, but with more details and the libraries of this, or the functions, important functions, this library. For automatic evaluation and dealing with the artificial intelligence like OpenAI, ChatGPT, I use this important library OpenAI. Plus, I use time for this synchronizing the process of manipulating, passing questions to ChatGPT and getting answer from ChatGPT, and then filing these answers in a document file or a spreadsheet file. This is a very important code for creating or developing or converting the Python code to an executable file, so the user cannot see this code and just use the program. So this is important for protection of the Python, because Python is open source and can be opened and get this code. If you need to not use this code, you have to convert it to executable file by this way. So here your system for defining a password for your system according to the month. Every month there is another password, and here these are the functions, mainly the functions in the of the different functions. So I used many different functions. So these functions for copying from Excel to Word, and here the parameters which I pass to this function for creating or for dealing or manipulating the information from Excel to the Word file. So I will send through the function the Excel file path, the sheet name, the cell 1 where it's found, the cell EG the data which will be carried through cell G, cell EG, the cell E also, the cell N, the word file اللي هو name of the or the path of the word file, and the cell. These are different parameters or variables which will be passed through this function. And then I will load the Excel file path here and put it in the variable WB through the built-in function, this one. And then also I will WP the variable to path the sheet name, okay, which is the table for the to the variable sheet. Then I will pass the value of cell 1, which in the sheet, in this sheet of the Python of the Excel file which I passed, and put in the cell value, and the same for cell 1, put in cell underscore value 1, and so on. Cell G, cell E, cell N will be cell created, inputted or entered in the stored in the variable cell underscore N. Then I will close the Excel file, and then I will open the document file, which its path will be Word file, and Word file will be taken from here. The pass from here will pass through these parameters, and then by this code the document file will be opened. Then I will replace. So let's go practically. And so where are these? So this is the Joe, which is the file in Word I will open, and actually I will replace this triple X by some value from the Excel sheet, and this Y by some value from the Excel sheet, and so on, GG and EE and NN. So there is here 5 variables will be passed from the Excel to the this Word file. So this is the Excel file, and this is the first value from this column, the second value will be from here, the third from here, and the fourth from here, and the fifth, this one of the fifth. Okay. After I put these 5 variables here from the Excel, as I said, I will close the Excel and open this Word file, which is this one, okay, and start the placing process. The placing process will take place by using these codes, these 5 codes, okay. And as I said, this will be done for every for the paragraph in document paragraphs, for run in paragraph runs, okay. And then I will take the path of the geomodified docs, okay. This one geomodified will be the path word file. عشان كده البايثون دوت will be in the same directory where the geomodified. If it's in another directory, I will put the name of the directory slash here, and like this slash, and the folder name or the drive name, okay, separated by slash. So as I show here, this is the file of the Python, and this is the Word file, and this is the Excel file, and this is geomodified file, okay, in Word. And this is the geomodified, okay. So I don't need any folder name or any driver name here, because all are the same. The Python code and the files which I use are the same folder. Then here I will delete using the delete function. This delete function will come. I created it be so the program is consisted of functions, defined functions, and I calling the function. I calling the function by the parameter. So I will pass the parameter here, which is the Word file pass, and the Word file pass, which is this one. This is the name of the document, and by calling delete Word file, this file will be deleted. So if I go down to check the delete, this is the delete file. This will take the path, the name of the file. Then he will ask OS library with using remove function to delete this file. Okay. So why are deleting this file? Deleting this file for putting new data for it I don't need all the data and all the old file. I will create another new file with new data. This is like a temporary file, okay? So after that, I will doc save new Word file. It will be saved in the modified.docs, and then I will go to another function. This function, all the process in it, opening the Excel file and takes the information from Excel file, this Excel file, as I said before, and then put in the variables in these variables, and this variable, then close the Excel file, and then open the Word file and take the variables here and use it and input in the replace with the variables in the Word file, as I said here. So it will be created in a new created file, which is geomodified, and geomodified will be deleted before creating it, because this is like we are going in a loop. So this is the first answer, then the next answer, the third answer, and so on. After that, we will go to the copy paragraph to Excel. Here we are copying from Word to Excel. Okay, so there are just three parameters here: the Word file name, the sheet name of the Excel file, and the cell address of the Excel file. بس هذا الموضوع كله. خلاص. فهنا طبعا انا هنا برضو هنا open WB will here the path of the Excel file, and then I will open it, and here I will take the sheet name, or here using the sheet and dealing with this one, and after dealing the and taking the inputting the variable of the value of the paragraph text في الايه في السيل ادرس ديت. Okay, because I also have the cell address here, the cell address as a parameter. Okay, and then I will close and save first the Excel and then close it. Okay, this is the delete function I told before, and here start the process of the program manually. So I using the paperclip this library dot copy طبعا Python per clip and Python per clip dot paste copy paste, and then here the main function for the manual or partial automatic program for doing this. I hope you understood how to deal with text and how to create programs in Python for dealing or manipulating data between files. These files ممكن maybe different files like Excel file or Word file or more than Word file, and then pass these prepared questions or text to ChatGPT, OpenAI, and then get answers and filing it back in Word or Excel file independence, and then do this for different rows in the Excel. This will take a lot of time if you did it manually, but you can, if you automatically did it, it will take just seconds. So it's very helpful programs and with dealing and يعني احنا بنستخدم كمان الشات جي بي تي والارتفيشال انتليجنس كأداة للاستخدام. كان معكم مهندس ومعلم أسامة مندور. لو في أي if there is any question, don't hesitate to ask. Please share the video with other colleagues or in other groups, Facebook or WhatsApp, so all can get benefit and enhancing from using programming in Python. If there is any ask if any code you need in Python or any program about manipulating text or paragraphs using different files, I can prepare and help you in preparing it, or I can prepare the program and send to you. Thanks for watching the video.